So in this video, I'm going to be introducing you guys to the T-Rack stack. I finally got it finished up, installed on the Titan. It sounds fantastic, man. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys kind of what it took for me to build it. And do a little drive-by and let you guys see some coal there, man. See it roll some coal. There's the exhaust top there on the left side. And it's got such a mean sound, man. It come out fantastic. Super excited. Installed lights the other day. Got them mounted up and sealed up. I don't have it wired yet. I need to find some time to do that. But when I do, I'll be installing a switch here to the left, a toggle switch, so I can flip that light off and on whenever I hook up the fifth wheel RV over there at odd hours, sometimes early morning, late night. It'll help illuminate everything. And let me try to get a shot back there, see if I can zoom in. So there's where the exhaust comes up through the bed. It's a 4-inch hole with some flex pipe. I took the cover and I kind of custom fit the cover. So the whole thing's made out of 4x4 14 gauge steel that we formed up with some 2x4s to get our shape, and then went back to the shop, assembled the 2x4s on the ground, and kind of had a template for this. It was kind of important for me to have it formed to the cab perfectly. As you can see, worked out pretty good. Now I painted it with a couple coats of primer, and this is that VHT high temp 2000 degree exhaust paint. There's no sheen to it, it's like a flat. Underneath, we have the exhaust. I disconnected the factory pipe here, so this is not cut in case I ever need to reverse it. And then I went up with the 90, and I have the flex pipe right up through the floor there. It's getting kind of dark out, so I want to take you guys to the warehouse and show y'all how we built and assembled this. Alright guys, today is the day. I'm super excited. Little brother come over to help me. We're gonna get the Titan XD Cummins fitted up with its roll bar / stacks. Really excited. Now this contraption is what we use to form up the shape of the cab and to give us a template to assemble everything once it was cut. Here's little brother on the grind. So this is what me and my brother fabbed up. It is 14 gauge 4x4 steel tubing. It basically follows the contour of the sides of the cab and the top. The hollow space here, I'm going to make a square hollow part out of flat bar so my brake light will come through, and it also has cab lights that illuminate the back of my bed. I think I'm going to actually add a light bar on top as well. But here at the bottom, this will be the entrance of the exhaust through the back of the bed. So you won't notice unless you look up top, but that is where my exhaust will be directed. So let's go ahead and get this thing welded up and get that brake light fitted. want y'all to check it out, man. I got the roll bar slash exhaust stack mounted up. I have it just setting up there. It's going to paint here today. I have the parts and pieces to tie into the exhaust coming today. It'll arrive, so I figured it'd be a good time to get it painted and get it ready. There you go, fresh out the paint. We got the bed cover trimmed back. I kept a 1-inch clearance from the exhaust. It gets hot, but it doesn't get as hot as I expected. And the sides that are vertical, where it just goes up and out, they're not bad at all. You can put your hand on there and it won't burn it. Well, I appreciate you guys hanging out with me, checking out this cool build. Had a great time building it, and I love it, man. It sounds freaking awesome. So why don't we end this video with a little takeoff and see if we can't roll some coal. Let you guys hear this Titan talk.